Assalamu alaikum everyone, Ramadan Mubarak. After a long day of fasting, our body needs proper hydration and energy. Today I'll be sharing the best healthy drinks for Iftar, including Nabeez, lemon water and sugar-free smoothies, perfect to refresh and energize you after fasting. Let's get started. First up, we have Nabeez. This is a Sunnah drink, loved by Prophet Muhammad. It's made by soaking dates or raisins in water overnight and drinking it at suhoor or iftar. It provides natural energy and aids digestion after a full day of fasting. Benefits of Nabeez include being a natural energy booster, helping digestion and preventing acidity, and supporting detoxification. How to make Nabeez? Take a handful of dates or raisins, soak them in a glass of water overnight. Drink it at iftar for an instant energy boost. This is a great way to break your fast naturally and get a steady energy release. Next, we have lemon water. Fasting can leave us dehydrated, and this simple drink is the best way to rehydrate quickly. Benefits of lemon water include hydrating and refreshing instantly, aiding digestion after a long fast, and replenishing lost electrolytes. How to make lemon water? Squeeze half a lemon into a glass of cold water. Add a pinch of honey if you like. Stir and enjoy at iftar. This drink is light, refreshing, and perfect to kickstart digestion before your meal. Now, let's make a delicious sugar-free milkshake. Instead of heavy sugary drinks, try this natural energy-boosting alternative. Benefits: provide sustained energy after fasting. Nourishes the body without sugar spikes. Great for kids and adults alike. Easy sugar-free banana shake. Recipe: 1 ripe banana. 2 1 cup milk or almond milk for dairy-free option. 3 1 TBSP peanut butter, optional. 4 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon. 5 blend and enjoy at iftar. This is the perfect natural sweet drink to keep you full and energized. Instead of sugary roux afza, let's make a healthy, refreshing fruit smoothie. Benefits: packed with vitamins and antioxidants, naturally sweet and refreshing, helps with hydration after fasting. How to make it? 1. Blend 1 cup mixed berries, strawberries, blueberries, or mango. 2. Add 1 cup yogurt or coconut water. 3. Blend until smooth and enjoy. This is the best natural alternative to sugary drinks at iftar. As a bonus, here's a drink for suhoor: turmeric golden milk. It keeps you full longer and boosts immunity. Benefits: helps with digestion and immunity, keeps you full and energized for fasting, promotes better sleep. How to make it? 1. Warm 1 cup milk. 2. Add 1/2 teaspoon turmeric, a pinch of black pepper and honey. 3. Stir well and drink before bed. This drink is great for preparing your body for fasting. And that's it. 5 amazing healthy drinks for Ramadan to keep you refreshed, energized, and healthy during fasting. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Ramadan tips and recipes.